Welcome aboard to the Passenger Hall of Shame. My name is Sean Kathleen. I am a former flight attendant and I'm also the creator of Passenger Shaming. Today's topic is respecting the bulkhead, and yes, it's just as easy as it sounds. A bulkhead is a wall that separates portions of the aircraft. Without said bulkhead, your plane and flight cannot move per federal aviation regulation. With that, can we all just agree to stop using the bulkhead as a footrest and an ottoman? Because it isn't one. After repeated infractions, with or without shoes, socks included, this is what happens to bulkheads. They bow, they break, they separate from the fuselage, and God forbid this happens before your flight. Guess what you're going to be doing? You're going to be waiting in the airport for hours. And let me tell you, when I was a flight attendant, not cute. Of course, you need to stretch and move around, and you know what? Your flight crew wants you to be comfortable. Take a little trip down the aisle. It's all good. Walk to the lavatory. If you have a medical condition, if you are apt to swelling or any of that, you know what you can do? Invest in some compression socks. They're like $15. I can promise you that the crew doesn't want you to be uncomfortable or miserable. They want you to be able to get up, feel like you can stretch and move, and then arrive at your destination safely and intact. And by intact, I also mean we want the airplane to be completely intact when we arrive. So I thank you for committing to the passenger shaming movement to make flying awesome again. And you know what? Enjoy that next flight of yours.